Hey there, welcome to Silhouette America. I am going to show you how to apply rhinestones to a craft project like this one here. Alright, so the first thing that you want to do is choose a rhinestone design that you either have in your library already or buy one from the online store. So double click your design and it will bring it into a new document. Make sure that your document size is the size of your rhinestone template material, which is 8.5 by 11 inches. One thing that you need to know is that you cannot resize the rhinestone shapes. The reason for this is that the circles are the exact size for the rhinestones, and if they get bigger or smaller, the rhinestones won't fit properly. So now that your design or your rhinestone design is placed on your 8.5 by 11 document, you are ready to cut. So go to the cut settings window at the top right, and then scroll down and choose the rhinestone template material. Right, it's almost down at the very bottom. Click on that, and then you will notice that you won't need a cutting mat for this, and that your blade depth needs to be 4. Before you cut it, you need to load the rhinestone template sheet. To do that, raise the blue lever on the right side of the bar and twist the right roller to unlock it and drag it to the very far left notch and twist it into place. Then lower the blue lever to lock it back into place. Now arrow down to select Load Media on the screen and then line up your sheet and press Enter to load media. Now change your blade depth to 4 by using the ratchet cap to twist the blade to the number 4. Then place the blade into the blade holder and lock it into place. Now you're ready to cut, so click the cut button and it will start cutting. Once it is all done cutting, press Enter to unload. Now trim down the rhinestone template material to save the extra for a later project, and peel off the blue piece and apply it to a backing board. Now it's time for the fun part, applying the rhinestones. Since this design requires all 3 sizes of rhinestones, you will want to start with the largest ones first. So pour them on top of your design and use the rhinestone brush to brush the rhinestones into each hole. Brush in a circular motion on top of the design, and then brush the excess rhinestones off the design and put them back away to keep them separated from the other sizes. Do the same thing with the next size down, which is 4 millimeters. Pour the rhinestones right on the design and use the brush to brush the rhinestones into the 4 millimeter holes. Brush in a circular motion until most of the rhinestones, if not all, are in place, and then brush away the rest of the rhinestones. For the last step of placing the rhinestones, pour the smallest size of the rhinestones, which are 3 millimeter, and use the brush again to put them into place. Depending on the size of your rhinestone design, you may have a few empty holes where there should be some rhinestones. To place rhinestones individually, use the Pick Me Up tool. It's a great tool that will pick up one rhinestone at a time with its tacky tip and place it into place. Once you have placed the rest of the rhinestones on the design, you are ready to apply the transfer tape. So cut off the amount of transfer tape that you need and peel off the white backing and carefully apply on top of the rhinestone design. The rhinestones will then attach to the transfer tape so it is easily transferred to your project. Once your iron has been preheated to the wool setting, you are set to attach the rhinestone design. So peel the transfer tape off the backing board and place it where you want it on your project. The next thing you will want to do is to place a cloth over the design and then place your heated iron on top for about 45 to 60 seconds. And then remove the iron, cloth, and transfer tape. If the rhinestones continue to stick to the transfer tape, just replace the cloth and iron again at a hotter setting. When you're all done with that, your project should look something like this. Thanks for watching, and I will see you next time.